It's a beautiful day to be in the garden. Summer is almost over and the temperature is finally cooling down a little bit. So, I've been working on my cut flower garden, and today I think it would be really nice to take you with me as I harvest and cut some fresh flowers that I will eventually arrange into a stunning fall flower arrangement. I started planting these dahlias late May, and they've been so great, giving me all these lovely blooms all summer long. The good thing about dahlias is the more you cut them, the more that it's going to give you more blossoms. So they're perfect if you want a cut flower garden. So now that we've gathered all of our materials, let's get started. So in this container, I already added some wet floor foam that I've soaked for an hour. So I added this cut flower food in the water, and then I just soaked the wet floor foam in. So first, I'm laying down my green foliage to create a base. So make sure to trim the lower leaves and trim the stem diagonally. This will help the stems soak up more water and help them stay alive longer. So after we've laid down all of our green foliage, we're gonna add in our focal flower. So the focal flowers are usually the ones you want to highlight. And here I'm using my dinner plate dahlias in 2 colors. So after we've laid down all of our focal flowers, we're gonna add in our secondary flowers. Secondary flowers tend to be smaller and will fill up the gaps around your arrangement. Here I'm using my smaller dahlias and some of my sunflowers that I've cut from the garden. Then here I'm going to be using my delphinium, and I'm just going to trim. So here I'm adding this delphinium to add a little bit of height into my arrangement. Don't forget to fill the back part of your arrangement with more beautiful flowers. Here I also have some dusty miller to just break the colors. And then I also like adding a little bit of vegetables for my garden. I'm just gonna tuck it in I'm adding in a few more elements like this dusty miller and these cherry tomatoes that I picked from my garden to add in a little bit of color and a little bit more texture into the arrangement. And then lastly, I'm just gonna trim a little bit of the foliage to make it a little bit more tidy. So I'm just gonna trim a little bit, not too much. Mostly the ones that look a little bit dead. And that's our beautiful flower arrangement. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Salamat po!